Well, I posted some video yesterday with my tech2, a video of the different codes I was getting on my tech2. So today, now the engine's cooled off, I can get a little better look at things. And you may recall I already had a problem with number 6. So here we go again. If you look in there close enough, you can see a piece of the must be a piece of ceramic, I guess. Can't imagine it'd be a piece of metal, but this wire and this coil are crap again. Let me see if I can show you the inside of the coil. Now let me put the, hold on. Okay, give me a little second. I gotta do this with the mirror. I got the flash on. So there's the inside of the coil connection. So here we go again, and all I can say is either some dummy mechanic got in here at some point in time and disconnected these wires and reconnected them poorly, not pushing them on far enough, or else these are just the crappiest GM wires you can imagine. And I don't know if you can say it's a crappy coil, because once it starts arcing, you know, the coil is going to, the metal contact is going to erode once it starts arcing. But here you go. So I got to buy another coil, and I'll put a wire from my C5 on until I get some new wires. I think I'm going to get some MSDs. One of the guys recommended those. And this should probably fix my crank position sensor code. And I don't think I was actually getting knock codes, but here it is. See you later. Froggy out. Bye. I did check the other wires on this side, and this must be 2468, I guess. 2468. So 2 is okay. 4 is crap. 6 I had to replace before already, and 8 is okay. I think that's 2468 on the right bank. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me in the comments, please. Thank you.